Hi everybody, this is Annelie van Wyk speaking. Mother of two, I lie, yes, that's true. Mother of two, grandmother of two, cancer survivor, and a granny. Hello. Anyway, this is now the first time that I'm going to try this. My computer is so slow, I cannot make a video out of it. And this will be the first time that I'm going to speak about Power Lead System, my online business, my favorite online business, without any notes. So this is just a try. I won't be posting it, but it's just a try. So Power Lead System. Why do I like Power Lead System? Because Power Lead System is a done for you system. It's a system that you don't have to, it's a newbie friendly system. It is it's an all-in-one marketing tool. You can use it for any type of business. It's got the leads, it's got the tools, it's got the marketing, it's got the capture pages, it's got the sales pages, it's got funnels, it's got autoresponders, it's got everything. And on top of everything else, there is lovely commissions that you are earning. First, you can start with becoming an affiliate. I'm going to change my screen, see if I can do that. And then I'm going to show you on my screen the different types of things. Let's see how this one works. Oh, vey, I don't know. It doesn't want to do what I want to do. I wanted to change the screen around that you can see the screen. I can turn my cell phone around because, as I said, this computer laptop of mine today is a creepy crawly situation. I want to throw it out the window. It's so frustrating. I've got to get that solid state to be installed, and I heard they got to take out everything and replace everything, and it's a long story and an expensive story, but I'm telling you, I can't handle this computer, this laptop. It's going too slow. Anyway, I'm going to try and turn the screen and see if you can see anything that I want you to see. I don't know. Can you see anything? Anyway, here is the easy button. That button you will be clicking when you are starting. It gives you a video, easy steps, gives you a video exactly how the system works, how it's all been put together, and then how to join a step one. You got to join our Facebook group. Click here. It shows you links that you can use for your advertising. It advertises your links, and the moment that you buy your domain, it shows you which link to use, and it refers you, gives you the links that you will be using. And next it would be, you get your emails. When you do your promoting, you've got an email send campaigns. You've got all written emails beforehand that you can look at. You've got automated holiday messages. There's all the emails. Now you can see what it looks like. All done for you. Autoresponder. Lovely. You've got different websites. In the websites, you got done for you. Capture sales funnels. Look at that. Capture pages, all ready to use, all done for you. You just take a pic and there you go. After that, you will save your choice and you will go to the next one. We've got different domains, ad tracking, share codes, Aweber connections, promote your business, your online, offline, email swipes, everything you need. You've got your contacts, everything concerned with contacts. Training is enormous depending on the level that you are. You get your training area. You get on the lowest level, the gold level, which will cost you $53 per month. You will get a $20 residual income as long as your downline stays a member. You get the endless free system. When you go up to your diamond level, you will be getting this one additional, your Social Profit Academy. That will cost you $147, and you will be ready for unlimited $1 commissions. After that, you get your training. Oh, your training you get everywhere. But the training area, let me show you. It is humongous. Let me just log in quickly. But anyway, that sounds very good. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and here I am again. Speak to you later. Bye.